guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining us, and let's get ready for the first wedding of this year together. And just look how stunning this dress is, and I also have like matching nails which are stunning as well. I'm starting my base prep with the XY niacinamide serum so that my skin stays hydrated, and some caffeine solution on my under eyes. It's from Ordinary. This serum reduces under eye puffiness and it also kind of brightens my under eye. Now I'm going with my Pond's super light gel. I will just quickly do my brows. So I primed my eyes with some concealer, and now I'm starting the eye makeup with the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless palette. This palette is kind of mood board for my today's eye look. Starting off with this cool toned shade. I'm going with another shade. It's kind of same but a little bit more deeper. Now I'm going with this shade. I will focus it right here in my crease. I will take this berry shade and start blending it close to my lash line and focusing on my outer corner. Building this shade on my outer corner. Now I will take a black shade let's put the transition shade on the inner part of my eyes. Okay, so I'm only putting some shimmers on my inner corners, and I am taking this shade right here. I will reapply later after finishing my eyeliner and lashes. So I put some moisturizer on my under eyes again. Now I'm going with my full coverage foundation from Juvias Place. I'm not really in the mood for color correcting right now, so I'm using this foundation. It's crazy how little goes a long way. I think I haven't done a cool toned eye look in a while, and I also didn't add any shimmers, but it looks so stunning. Putting on these lashes was a big struggle. I have always put press-on nails after my makeup, and this is my first time that I have put them before my makeup without any rush, but I am struggling with my makeup, especially my eye makeup, a lot. I wouldn't struggle this much if the nails were a little shorter, but what can I do? It's okay. Concealer from Milani. What is your favorite thing of wedding season, like the food or getting ready? My favorite is getting ready, though I always end up doing it in a rush, but I don't want to rush today. I started quite earlier. Putting some setting spray before the powder is a game-changing hack. Nose contour, so I'm cleaning up the area so my nose contour looks more snatched. My lower lash, I'm first putting the very light transition shade. Then I will take this dark berry shade. I will use this to smoke out my lash line. So mascara on my lower lashes. This is the Essence I Love Extreme one. Now I will blend this shimmery blush cheeks and kind of on my under eyes too. I just don't feel like this look needs any highlighter. Now I'm starting my lip combo with cool toned chocolate brown lip liner. I'm going with MAC lipstick in the shade Meher. I put some liquid lipstick from iMagic and it looks quite balanced and not too vibrant.